choppy out here. We're just towing right now, and it is very difficult to keep control of the boat. Since we're going downwind and since the waves are so big, when a boat hits the top of a wave, you start surfing. And then when you start surfing, you go faster than the tow line. And because you're surfing and you're going faster than the tow line, stuff like this happens. Ready? And there it goes again. These waves are easily 5 feet.
We have been untied because we almost completely capsized. Our boats were right next to each other. We're surfing like crazy. Right now we are currently drifting towards Grand Long Point docks.
Wait, put them on me. These
Here's
waves
Colin.
are so big, we don't have any sails up, and we are surfing, and we are making really good time, let me tell you that much.
For now, we're just heading into the channel now between Ram Island and Noank.
1 o'clock, and we are only at Mason's Island.
It is 9:59 right now.
It is 9:59, and we are obviously not making Stonington, as this is Ender Island right here. So the plan is that we're gonna stop at Mason's Island and wait for the rest of the fleet, and then start racing out of Mason's and be back in the race. Now they're about to start leg 2, which is from here, Mason's Island, over around Mason's Island and in towards Mystic. There's, maybe 5 minutes till start now. So we're going into the third leg, right?
Yep.
So this is a 2-mile long spinnaker and crap leg, all right? So we're gonna toss the spinnaker up and we're gonna head on the trapeze, Sam's gonna be on the trapeze, and we're gonna go for 2 miles downwind, all right? Our plan is to go around Cormorant Ledge, I think it's called, rock, whatever. Final mark of leg 3, currently in 4th place. I'm dumping the entire main, and we are still almost capsized. Alright, so last leg of the race.
I know. 20, 20, 20, 20. You can get in here, you can get it. Alright, get up. We just finished. Now we're just cruising into a WOD club where there's gonna be, awards and stuff. It's been a long day.
Mentally draining.
Mentally draining, physically draining. Yeah.
Jam cleats.
They're not jam cleats, they're cam cleats.
Cam cleats?
Cam cleats.
Cam cleats?
Cam.
Cam?
Yeah.
Alright, take two.
You know what a jam cleat is? That's what we use on the boom bang.